ancient forest, tall trees whispered secrets to the stars. As the golden sun sank, a curious firefly named Lumo awoke. "Why do you whisper?" he asked an old oak. The oak chuckled. "We share days' tailies with the stars." Mesmerized, Lumo fluttered among rustling leaves and moonlit flowers, hearing nature's gentle lullaby. Streams murmured, creatures sang, and the forest buzzed with soothing stories. Feeling at peace, Lumo let the harmonious whispers cradle him